Despite Lilling's first two Champions League final approaches, set was 2019 due to poor run-off from Premier League. It ensures the return of playmaker and trophy now proven Spain to hold the Nottingham Forest bottom has seen our player ensure the best football played under Jose Mourinho. Data collection is very crucial. Data collection continues to expand in 6 months and with no attention to which forces Jose to change his plan. The initial plan was to play in 4-2-3-1 in which the role of Eriksen was important, but his departure leads to change his plan in Jose's plan. In the new system, the role of Eriksen was reduced to play alongside Fabregas and Antonio to keep Porto making counterattacks. Possession style was to provide formation, Jan Botham comes in to play the left centre back to fall back and provide protection to the defence. Sun and Aurier uh, used to provide width on left and right to stretch the play and receive the ball. Harry Kane often dropped deep to receive the ball. At the same time, Ali and Moura make runs in behind to create goal scoring opportunities for Tottenham Hotspur. Mourinho had a very good start to the Helmet Spurs until injuries to keepers like Son and Kane, due to which he is in longest streak without a win.